Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys my highlighting and contouring routine, and I'll be talking you guys through the entire process. One of you guys requested this video, so I'm doing it. This is for you, whoever requested it and whoever really wants to know how I do this. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I do this, stay tuned, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video. And yeah, let's get right into the video.
I just wanna dance with somebody. I just wanna dance with somebody. It could be anybody. Tell me how you got somebody. Don't matter who you are, just love me the way
So I already did my foundation off camera so that we don't waste time on that. I did a video on my foundation routine. I'll link it in the description box below. So the first thing is picking my concealer. I usually use the MAC Studio Finish concealer in the shade NC45. This is what it looks like, and it looks a little too bright because of the lighting. This is the box. So I just pick that, and I pick a concealer brush, and I use that brush to place the concealer in the places I want to highlight. So the places I like to highlight is my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and a little on my forehead, and sometimes around my jawline, just to give it a chiseled sort of look. But I don't do the jawline on a day-to-day basis, so I just pick some of that on the brush and I place that in the areas I've just mentioned. So under my eyes I place it in a triangle, as you guys can see, and I extend the triangle a bit like that, like that. On the bridge of my nose, like that, on my chin. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I do a line right here, right there, like that. And now on my forehead. So that is it. Those are the areas I conceal. As you can see, I've placed everything. So I've placed the concealer on all the places I want to highlight. Now it's on to blending it out. Let me bring you guys in a little bit closer so that you can see how I do it. So when it comes to blending out the concealer, I use either a foundation brush. Let me show you guys the foundation brush I use. It's this one, as you guys can see. So I just pick this brush, I wet it a bit with my DIY setting spray. Okay, this thing is not working, so I just wet it up a bit like that, and I just tap that out. As you can see, you just tap it like that and it gets blended out. So I can either use this brush or a beauty blender, but my beauty blender is really dirty, as you can see, so I can't use it. So I just blend that out. I just tap it. I think I should just speed through this blending process. Or what do you guys think? Or you guys can't reply? Okay, let me just film it all, and we'll see how it's going to go when I'm editing. As you can see, this part is pretty much blended out. So that side is also now blended out. Just need to wet this a bit more. Okay, let me get my MAC Fix Plus. So I just realized that my DIY setting spray is basically over. That's why it's not spritzing on the brush. So I got my MAC Fix Plus. So I just spritz that on the brush again, and once I feel it's well blended out, I don't know, what do you think, guys? Think it looks like blended out? I move on to setting. I usually set with the Illegal Pro powder. This is what it looks like. So I just pick a powder brush. This is the brush I used to place that powder with. So I just open it. I just open it. I use mine in the shade Banana Yellow. So this is what it looks like. And move it a bit. The light is too bright. Oh, it's pouring. So I just pick that powder and I place it all over my under eyes. Okay, I just place it all over the places I've set. Oh, highlighted, I mean. So today I think I'll bake. I'm not too sure about baking. I think let me just bake so that I can show you guys how I do it. So I just place the powder right where I highlighted. One thing I like about this powder is that it does not give you flashback. And ever since I got this powder, I have been loving it. I don't even use my Sacha one anymore. And it's also very affordable as well. It's like 500 bob. I got mine from Ken's Cosmetics. I'll link there. I'll put the Instagram page in the description box so that you guys can get more details on them in case you want to buy anything. They're based in Nairobi and Mombasa. So once I feel I've placed enough powder, I move on to my contouring. For contouring, I use the MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'm not a huge fan of cream contour, but when I do a cream contour, I use this, the Illegal, it's upside down. I use this, the Illegal Pro Conceal in the shade Dark Cocoa. But since I'm just doing a quick video for you guys to show you guys how I do it on a regular basis, this is what the powder looks like, and this is what it looks like on the inside. You can see it's a very dark powder. So I just pick a powder brush like this, and I just tap that in and place it. Now I need a mirror for this, so just tap that. I'll just show you guys how I just tap that a bit to pick the powder, and yeah, place it. So I place it right here, right under my cheekbone. I think you guys can see I have a natural contour line, like you can just follow it, or you can do this and follow that. So I just place that right there. I think I like powder contouring because it is so easy and so quick. You just place the powder. That's basically it. Just place and blend, place and blend. Compared to cream contour, because you'll still have to set the contour powder, the cream contour. So I drag it in like this, upwards towards my forehead, like this, towards the temples of my face. That is one side done. So you can see a sort of a difference. I hope you guys can see a difference, because I can see a difference. Once I feel like I've placed enough on the sides of my face, I move towards my forehead and I just place some right towards my hairline. I know my hair looks like a mess. I hope I'll be able to fix that soon. So there, that's it. So by now I have baked enough, so I just sweep away that powder. I just sweep it away using my usual powder brush. So just into the other parts of my face that I hadn't set. And as you guys can see, it does not leave a white cast, and it leaves the highlighted areas it doesn't get rid of the highlighting effect of the concealer like some powders. So another cheap alternative to this MAC Studio Fix powder is the Illegal Pro powder. not this one. They have a setting powder, like a compact one like this one, so you just get one that is dark enough for you to contour with. And yeah, so that is it for my contour. No, I've not contoured my nose. So once I've swept away all that powder, let me just take you guys a bit far off so you can see. So for my nose, I just pick this kind of eyeshadow brush. I just basically use an eyeshadow brush to contour my nose. This is what it looks like. And I pick the MAC Studio Fix powder and my mirror, and yeah, I just place that on the sides of my nose. Right, and the tip of my nose, just right down there. And yeah, that's it for my nose. And everywhere else I can just do a bit right there. And also, if you want your lips to appear a bit bigger, you can contour right under here to give the illusion of a shadow of having bigger lips. That is just it's just a personal preference. I don't do it. So yeah, that's it for my highlighting and contouring. Let me finish the rest of my face off camera. So guys, this is the final look. But there I did a very out there eyeshadow. My eyeshadow really reminds me of the Instagram logo. And this is purple, this is pink, and this is a gold shade towards the inner corner. My under eye is, my lower lid is purple, and my lips are a nude mauvish sort of shade. So this is the final look. I didn't feel myself highlighting my cheekbones, but I just used, this is the highlighter I usually use. It's by Clean Color, and it's just a goldish sort of shade. And yeah, you can see. So yeah, this is the final look, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys loved this video. Give me some video suggestions of what you guys want to see. I'll be doing a get to know me video soon, so if you have any questions you'd love to ask me or anything of the sort, just put them in the comment section below, and when I get around to filming that video, I will answer your questions. And yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.